Every day, millions of people around the world bite into a McDonald's burger. And yet, very few know the incredible journey that patty took to reach their hands. How can a burger taste the same whether you're in New York, London, Tokyo, or Dubai? Today, we're going on a journey into the heart of one of the world's most advanced food factories, where science, precision, and speed combine to create millions of identical burgers every single day. This is the story of how McDonald's makes millions of burgers. The McDonald's hamburger seems simple. Just a bun, a patty, some cheese, lettuce, and sauce. But behind every bite is a story of global supply chains, advanced technology, and meticulous care. From vast cattle ranches where cows are raised, to grinding machines that transform meat into uniform patties, to freezing tunnels colder than Antarctica, to packaging systems that track every single burger, and finally, to the restaurant grill where the burger is cooked to perfection. Each step is carefully controlled, tested, and monitored to ensure consistency and quality, no matter which country you are in. Today, we follow that burger's journey from farm to table, in all its detail, wonder, and industrial grandeur. Chapter 1. The farms, the beginning of the journey. The journey begins long before the burger patty is formed, on massive cattle ranches stretching for miles, where hundreds of cows graze under strict standards and watchful eyes. McDonald's works with trusted farmers who follow precise guidelines. No growth hormones, no random antibiotics, and a carefully controlled diet designed to produce high-quality beef. Each cow is tagged, tracked, and monitored digitally, recording weight, health, and growth rate. Farmers check the cattle daily, ensuring the animals are healthy, strong, and ready for processing. This attention to detail is the first step in producing a burger that tastes the same anywhere in the world. When cattle reach maturity, they're transported to certified processing facilities, carefully monitored to maintain hygiene, temperature, and safety. Every step is tracked, so no patty leaves the factory without complete traceability. Chapter 2. Arrival at the processing plant. At the processing plant, the raw meat undergoes the first of many inspections. Temperature is immediately checked, and quality teams inspect color, texture, and fat ratio. Only approved meat moves forward. Everything else is rejected. The meat is stored in chilled rooms, kept cold but not frozen, ready for trimming, grinding, and blending. The plant is a combination of human oversight and high-speed automation, where every cut of beef is treated like a precious raw material. Chapter 3. Trimming and preparation. Next comes trimming. Workers remove excess fat, connective tissue, and any parts that don't meet standards. The goal is perfection. McDonald's patties contain 100% pure beef, with no fillers, no preservatives, and not even salt at this stage. After trimming, the meat is portioned into batches, ready for grinding. Temperature is crucial. If the meat warms too much, bacterial growth and texture issues may occur. Everything is calculated, controlled, and monitored continuously. Chapter 4. The grinding process. Now, the heart of patty production begins grinding. Giant stainless steel grinders mince the meat into uniform strands, breaking it down while maintaining precise fat-to-lean ratios. The meat passes through multiple grinding plates, each one creating a finer texture. Real-time sensors check fat content, moisture, and texture. If the fat is too high, lean meat is added. If it's too low, the fattier portions are incorporated. This ensures that every patty cooked in Shanghai tastes identical to a patty in Chicago. Once the coarse grind is complete, the meat is blended in massive industrial mixers. Different batches are combined to standardize flavor, texture, and moisture. This blending is one of the most important steps because beef varies naturally. Mixing ensures the taste, consistency, and cooking properties are identical worldwide. Chapter 5. Patty forming machines. After blending, the meat enters the patty forming machines. These massive machines press the ground beef into uniform circles, each patty the same weight, diameter, and thickness. Cameras scan each patty. Any misshapen or imperfect patty is removed automatically. This line can produce thousands of patties every minute, all with precision and speed. The patties then move along high-speed conveyor belts, where human workers monitor overall quality, looking at color, texture, and shape. Nothing is left to chance. Every detail is measured, tested, and adjusted as needed. Chapter 6. Blast Freezing. The formed patties are now ready for freezing. They enter enormous blast tunnels, where temperatures drop to -40 degrees Celsius. The goal is to freeze the patties almost instantly. This locks in flavor, prevents bacteria, and maintains the perfect texture. Inside the freezing tunnel, fans blow ultra-cold air across the patties at high speed. They come out rock solid, ready for packaging. Fast freezing ensures the patties travel safely, without losing shape or moisture, all while retaining the taste McDonald's is famous for. Chapter 7. Packaging. Once frozen, the patties move to robotic packaging lines. Layers of patties are stacked, bagged, and vacuum sealed. Every package is labeled with batch number, production date, and plant information. Barcodes allow complete traceability. Machines check the weight of each package, and any irregular packages are rejected. This automated process ensures speed, accuracy, and hygiene. Chapter 8. Cold Storage and Distribution. Packaged patties move to huge cold storage warehouses. Temperatures remain constant, ensuring safety and freshness. Robotic forklifts transport the pallets to refrigerated trucks. The cold chain is never broken. From here, patties travel to distribution centers and then to restaurants across the country. Even the journey to the restaurant is monitored because temperature fluctuations could affect quality. Chapter 9. Restaurant Cooking. At the restaurant, frozen patties arrive. They are cooked directly from frozen on calibrated grills. Temperature, time, and pressure are monitored to the second. A few seconds difference could ruin consistency. Cheese is added, buns are toasted, and fresh toppings are layered. Every burger looks and tastes identical, no matter where it is served. What seems like a simple burger is actually the product of an incredible global system. From farms to grinding, blending, forming, freezing, packaging, distribution, and finally to the restaurant grill. Every step is precise, controlled, and engineered for perfection. Millions of burgers are made every day, all with the same taste, texture, and quality. This is Let's Find Out. Thanks for watching.